Dubai, so many opportunities.
But I need my English first.
Don't worry, Alex. Step by step, we'll get there.
Follow me, it's going to be fun and useful.
Good morning. It's so nice to see you both. Morning.
Ready for a productive day?
Absolutely. Let's fuel up first.
I'd like the avocado toast, please.
I'll have a smoothie bowl.
I'll take the shakshuka.
I still feel nervous about speaking English in real life.
It's normal. Just start small. I'll guide you.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. This is delicious, but I also want to improve my business English.
We can include vocabulary for work, meetings, and emails.
Yes, step by step, you'll be ready for any situation. Thanks, everyone. Let's head to the metro.
Yes, real practice awaits.
Dubai adventures continue.
Wow, the metro is so clean and modern.
It's perfect for practicing small talk.
Try asking a passenger something simple. Excuse me, is this train going to Dubai Marina?
Yes, it's the next stop. Thank you very much.
Look at the skyline. Dubai is full of opportunities.
I want to be part of this growth.
Sometimes I mix up tenses. It's funny. Mistakes are learning tools. Never be afraid.
Exactly, laughing helps memory too.
Here we are. Let's explore.
Time for real-world practice.
Adventure awaits.
Wow, this market is huge. So many colors and smells.
Perfect place to practice English while buying things.
Try asking for the price in English, Alex. Excuse me, how much is this saffron?
It's 50 dirhams per gram.
Thank you very much.
I want to buy this for my friend. Can you wrap it, please?
Sure, no problem.
See? You're doing great with real conversations.
This is delicious. How do you say delicious in English?
You just said it perfectly.
Yeah.
Use it every time you like something, it sticks in memory. I'm proud I spoke English with multiple vendors today. Practice is the key. Small wins count. And the market is a perfect classroom.
This place is impressive. I hope I can speak confidently here.
Just observe first, then try small conversations.
Good morning. I have an appointment with Mr. Ahmed.
Yeah?
Good morning. Please take a seat. He'll be with you shortly.
See?
Smooth and polite English.
Cheers.
Everyone here speaks English so fluently.
Don't worry, you'll get there.
Yeah.
Confidence matters more than perfection. I suggest we focus on improving customer satisfaction this quarter.
Yeah.
Excellent phrasing, Alex. You're using professional vocabulary.
Okay.
Keep your tone steady, like a real meeting.
Hi, I'm Alex. I work in customer service.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Dubai.
See, that wasn't hard at all.
It's so peaceful here. Great place to practice English.
Yes, informal conversations work best here.
Let's try discussing our day in English.
Today, I went to the market and practiced English with vendors.
That's excellent. Tell me what you learned.
It's also fun to repeat phrases out loud.
I'd like a chocolate ice cream, please.
Nice pleasure.
Here's your ice cream. Enjoy.
Perfect. Role play makes phrases stick.
Excuse me, which path leads to the fountain?
Just follow this path to the left.
Thank you. I can feel my English improving day by day.
Consistency is key.
And using it in real life speeds up learning.
I've never talked to so many strangers in English. Yeah.
Start with introductions. Share your goals.
Yeah. And don't forget to exchange contacts.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm learning English and working on career growth.
Nice to meet you, Alex. That's inspiring.
Good job. Confidence is visible.
I want to work in international teams in Dubai.
Perfect. You're expressing ambition clearly.
Keep adding short sentences like this.
Can I connect with you on LinkedIn?
Sure, let's do that. Sure, let's do that.
Networking done? Excellent.
I just spoke to a client in English, and it went perfectly. See?
All your effort is paying off.
Cheers to new opportunities in Dubai.
Wow, I've learned so much in just a few weeks.
That's the power of consistent learning.
And soon, you'll see Dubai opportunities everywhere.
Today, I spoke confidently with a vendor, a colleague, and a stranger.
Customer service, polite conversation, confidence.
Like sounds.
Exactly.
Repetition helps retention.
I feel ready for tomorrow's challenges. Yeah, that would be fabulous.
And each day will get easier.
I can't wait to keep growing.
Consistency and courage are your keys.
Dubai is waiting for you. Speak English, grow your life.
If I can do it, anyone can. Start today.
Consistency and courage are your keys. Dubai is waiting for you. Speak English, grow your life.